Enter calcgen.com in your search engine. You will be directed towards the web page of Calcgen Solutions, where you will find the details of the company, services provided and links to various apps and references. To access the apps, first, you have to make an account. Press the sign up button on the uppermost corner if you are new to this website, or log in if you already have an account. Here we are already logged in. You will see 3 cards on the first page. The card on the right has information about the services provided. By clicking on it, you can also request a quote. The left card allows you to view the apps section, which has cards of all the apps with their tutorial videos. Moving back to the home page, the middle card allows you to submit a proposal through Google Form for any applications you want to launch on our website. Move your cursor towards upper left corner, a list will be shown where you can find apps provided by Calcgen Solutions. Click on the apps you want and a page will open where you can find information about the particular app and a subscribe button. Here we have selected the Vessel Express app. Click on the subscribe button. You will see 3 plans: yearly, monthly and weekly. Let's select the yearly plan. Click on the Add Card Detail and enter the card information. Now you will again be directed towards the app information page. You can see a pop-up showing you have already been subscribed. Go to Open App button. A request for permission page will be opened. After you click on Accept, you are free to use the application. You can access other apps in the same way. Or you can also access apps by clicking on More Apps, where you will be able to see the card of all the applications. And a filter on the right side that allows you to find the apps of the required version within your price range. Let us now move to our home page by pressing on the Calcgen logo. Move your cursor towards the upper right corner and a drop-down list with options like My Dashboard, Forum, Support, Change Password, and Log Out will be shown. We will now explore each of these options. First, click on My Dashboard. Your profile page will be opened where you can see your name, email ID and Edit Profile button. You can add your information by pressing on it. As you scroll down, you can see recent app you have used, suggestions based on the frequency of use, any calculations saved and reports generated. You can directly open your calculations file from here or modify and delete it. On the left side of this page, you can see many options. My Apps will show you all the subscribed apps. Similarly, the subscription button will also show the same, but here you can manage the subscription plans. Click on the Manage Plans button. You can find the option of canceling or switching to other plans. Moving back to the dashboard, below My Subscription is My Billings. This section shows all the card details such as card number, expiry date. You can also delete the information of the previously used card and add another one. Now the last option is the support request. We will come back to this later. Now click on the forum from the drop-down list. This section will allow you to discuss queries related to applications with other users. It shows the list of the apps, the number of topics discussed, posts related to the app and recent post. To see the posts, you can click on the name of the app. You will now see the list of topics that have been in discussion. Click on the topic to access its content and comment on the post. There is also a provision of subscribing to the post. Moving back, on the right side, you can see the name of the user who has made the last post, and clicking on it will allow you to see the post. You can also post a new topic by clicking on the new topic icon. Then enter the title, message, and click on the Submit button. You can also follow up on your posts by going to My Posts and view your subscriptions from here. Let's go to the support section. If you face any problem when using the applications, then you can report it by filling in the details. You can select the applications which have the problem under the Q section. Below it you have to write a summary of the issue and description of the problem in detail. Then select the degree of priority. You can also upload a snapshot of the problem for more clear understanding. Enter your email ID and after you are done press on the Submit ticket. You will be directed towards a page showing a unique ticket ID and submitted information of the problem. Also, you will receive an email from the Calcgen Solutions with the unique ticket ID and a link for the case you want to add any further information about the problem. Now on the same page, you can see View a Ticket section where you can access your ticket by entering the unique ticket ID and email address. Another way to keep track of your ticket is by going to the support request on the left side of the dashboard. Here you can see the list of tickets that you have submitted and can access its information without having to enter the ticket ID and email. This is all for now. Thank you for watching. Calcgen Solutions.